I love the results you get when you spin your art. I decided to do this one today to show you different results each time. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Camille. I hope you're all doing fine. Today I'm doing a flower with a little bit of difference from my regular flower dip. I'm not going to dip this flower with a napkin. I'm just going to spin it out and hope you guys just love the beautiful result. Alright, I want to say welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, please consider subscribing, like and share my videos with your family and friends. This technique will be listed in the description below. a close-up of the wet result. What do you guys have to say about this piece? I think it's gorgeous. The gold in this is stunning. I use some glitter gold. It's actually from Martha Stewart. It's like a coarse glitter, and it gave the painting a little bit of a texture to it, and it's just amazing. What do you guys have to say about this? And here is the dried result. It dried well. The colors are stunning. Wow, the gold in this, I'm telling you guys, it created such an amazing texture. I mean, it's so beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about this piece. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and just subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you so much for sticking around with me to the end, and I will see you next time. Bye.